Good evening from Northern California. The opening tip controlled by the Warriors, and we're underway in the final year at the Oracle. Durant, add 2 points to the board.
Good money.
Hands up, hands up, hands up.
Curry. Now that's a contest. To Durant. Kevin Durant, 2 for 2. That's what you want.
He's a modern-day big that plays like a 6'2 guard. Scary.
Thompson.
That's short, that's short.
Buries it.
Man, you making people dance out there? I see you with the footwork.
Irving brings the ball up court.
Let's go.
From long range. Shot off the mark. Good defense.
Great contest by the D, but I want to see the coaching staff call the same exact play the next possession. Get that offensive player the ball. Let him prove that it wasn't the D. It was more in his own head.
Willie Cauley-Stein has got 2 shots coming. Career mark of 64%.
Next one,
Oops, he missed the first one. Second one's good. Splits the pair.
Look up, go, look up, look up.
A bad pass there. Warriors have it.
It's early. Get a good quality shot here.
And Stephen Curry. We say it time and time
been in the
again.
gym, huh?
Not much the defense could have done there.
Not everybody possesses this power, but wow, what court awareness.
Well defended. Thompson to bring it into the front court. Up by 3. Fires the 3. Buries the wide open 3. That's too easy.
This is a game of ways. As a defense, you have to recognize that they come and they go. That will not be the case all the time moving forward.
Irving. Cauley-Stein with the rebound.
Let it go, let it
To
go.
Russell. Beyond the arc for 3. Jay, another one goes down. They're right where they want to be.
Exactly. Next play, you have to turn around defensively and get in the stance and actually keep that same kind of tempo.
Draymond Green tips it. And he's fouled. Good play by the shooter.
You know what? That's an even better play by the defender. I like the foul there. Send a message. Nothing easy.
He's going to have to earn it now. First one, count it.
Oh yeah, I like that.
And he hits the second. It's all 3 free throws.
Way to shoot it.
Curry to Thompson. Lets it fly from beyond the arc. Had made his first couple, but he misses there. Durant with the basketball up top. Down 6. And he stepped out of bounds. Turns the ball over. Curry. Jay, another one goes down. They're right where they want to be.
Exactly. Next play, you have to turn around defensively and get in the stance and actually keep that same kind of tempo.
Harden. Deep and a putback slam.
Woo, that's nasty right there.
Let's go. Pick him up. Pick him up.
Curry. Tough shot. Well defended.
Shooters shoot. Period. I don't want to hear any excuses. That's why you're on the floor. You keep doing what you're doing with that superior confidence.
To Curry. Lets it fly from long range. Can't get the bounce. Harden in possession. Right now, down 7. James. It's no good. Great defense. Curry to bring it up. Looking to make something happen. Yes, Klay Thompson. 3 for 4. Good start.
Well, when you play for each other and not just for yourself, that's when great things happen. You essentially lose yourself in what the team is trying to accomplish. It's called unselfish basketball. And there's nothing more beautiful than rewarding your teammate with a nice pass and letting them finish for 2 or 3 points.
Durant. And Green able to pull down the rebound. Curry with the basketball. Lead is 12. Here's a chance from long range. Oh, that's how it's done.
Look, that shot was going up regardless of what the defender was trying to do. That's called a heat check.
He engulfed him that time.
And look, sometimes you don't have it going every single night. Maybe utilize yourself as a decoy and get some teammates involved with your passing.
Harden with the basketball. Down by 15. LeBron James. 2-4 now. The maturity of one of the game's greatest on full display.
Yeah, LeBron James still proving that he can get up there with the highest of the high. But still, I love the fact that he recognizes less is more now. LeBron James 2007, every play is a dunk. Now it just happens once in a while. Enjoy the greatness.
That is great vision to set it up. It's good.
As a player, there's nothing better than coming out in the first quarter and playing exactly the same way you played the last couple of days of practice. You're moving the ball, you're capitalizing your mistakes, and you really built a nice lead.
New blood coming in for both sides. It's James. Those shots today have been few and far between in what has been an uneasy first quarter.
And Ed, sometimes that's all you need. Just get 1 or 2 to the ball. Find the rhythm, find the rhyme. You got plenty of time.
To Durant. 4-3. His first quarter struggles from deep continue. It's no good. It's a turnover as they head the other way.
Oh, yeah. Get back. Get the shooters. Watch the shooters. Watch the shooters. Get back. Get back.
Yes. Klay Thompson looking good. 4 for 5.
The pass was really good, but what I love most about the play, Ed, was that every player that ran in transition had active hands, which means they were active targets. They provided a target for the player to deliver the pass. That's how you work together as teammates.
On the follow. Way to stay with it.
This offseason, I heard so many voices, even that of the great Shaquille O'Neal, talking about how LBJ needed to submit his own legacy. Well, for LeBron, it's not about chasing external accolades. It's about hunting your own legacy, and that's to be the greatest of all time.
Alec Burks rejects it. Out of bounds. Last touch by Alec Burks. Durant. And he stays cold from deep as he misses another one. It's no good.
I got ball.
Not loose.
I got ball. I got ball. That's me.
So we played one here at Oracle with the Warriors on top. Jay and I back to Oakland after this. You're tuned in. Ed Cohen, Jay Williams with you as we get things started here in the second quarter.
Defense.
Knocked loose.
Defense. Let's go.
Lillard to the first points for him in this first half, and he knocks it down for 3.
Yeah, they really need him to get going. Really surprised that none of his teammates have been talking to him. This is when he needs him the most. They have to uplift him, help him continue to be confident on the court.
Look out. Anthony Davis with the slam.
Brow down, Ed, when you come into my town.
Wow, you rhyming right there?
Obviously.
Fires the 3 off the iron. No good.
We're going to do this. My ball.
Davis. Can't connect.
I got him. I got ball. I
To
got ball.
Thompson. For 3. That's off the side of the rim. Short. Durant across the timeline.
Lock up.
His team down 9. Gets it at the top of the key. Has a look. Slams it home on the putback.
You see, to a lot of people, it's an oxymoron when you hear the word superstar and the phrase doing all the little things. But that's what the great ones do.
To Thompson, going along, beyond the arc. He continues to shoot it well from beyond the arc. That's 4 threes now in this first half.
Yeah, and confidence comes from discipline and training. You can tell that kid's been putting in the time in the gym.
Now the Warriors gonna call a timeout as they'll talk things over in what's now a 4-point game. Russell. And the rebound taken in by Davis. Durant. And the rebound comes down to Thompson. To Curry. From long range. Knocks it down.
Don't seem shocked. This is how the game is played these days. Shooting a three is like shooting a layup.
Harden here against Kevon Looney. Fires the three. Count the triple.
And in today's game, you have to make shots like that. Nice work draining it from deep.
To Thompson. Beyond the arc for three. Message received. Well defended.
Just because you're an elite shooter doesn't mean you need to shoot the ball every possession. Maybe give a head fake, crack into the defender, get to the free throw line, see the ball go in the hole.
D'Angelo Russell, too good to leave that wide open. D'Angelo Russell hits.
It's all about creating space with the dribble. Once you have that gap, you can beat somebody in a variety of ways. He chose the dagger with the three.
Time for some new personnel into the game. James. Harden. That's how you defend. To Curry. Lets it fly from beyond the arc. Not that time. He misses. To Davis. Anthony Davis. He's now 4 for 6.
The versatility of Anthony Davis makes him one of the most special players in the league today. He can score on you with his back to the basket, but if you also leave him open on the perimeter, he's going to knock that down with ease.
James, not that time. To Thompson. Lets it fly from long range. Can't go down. Smothering defense. Harden with it up top. Down 2. Here's a chance from long range. Nice touch around the basket with the tip.
Ed, sometimes less is more. Keeping it simple is the best way.
4-3. And D'Angelo Russell makes good from beyond the arc.
And the three-point shot of the offense applies so much pressure on the defense, you can no longer build your teams inside out. The new way, you build your teams outside in.
Warriors basketball. Curry. He continues to light it up from downtown. 5 threes now in this first half.
Yeah, and what's shocking, Ed, is that he's gotten so many open looks. Look, stay down in the stance, stay disciplined, stop losing him, stay attached to his hip, and force him to put the ball on the ground off those curls and finish over your bigs.
Kevin Durant with a piece. Out of bounds the call. Last touch by D'Angelo Russell. Some lineup changes now for both clubs. LeBron James, not much more the defense could have done. He hits the contested three.
Well, the defense has been good, but the shot making